construct a square inscribed in a circle. I have my circle in the center and I have access to this compass. Essentially, I want to construct two perpendicular diameters. And where the endpoints of the diameter intersect the circle are going to be the four vertices of my square. Keep in mind, a square is a regular quadrilateral, meaning all four sides are congruent and all four angles are congruent because they are each 90 degrees. Let's start by constructing a point anywhere along the circle. Now that I've done that, I want to take my segment tool and construct a diameter that passes through the center straight across to the other side, being as careful as I can when I construct my diameter. So there's my diameter. I now want to put my compass. I'm going to construct, remember, a diameter that's perpendicular to that. I'm going to squeeze down my compass setting, reposition my compass so the point is right on the center point, and swing two small arcs, one on either side of the center. I'm careful not to change my compass setting. Now that I've done that, each of these arcs is the same distance from the center. I want to find those intersection points because I'm going to reposition my compass so that it is placed right there. I want to open my compass so it's a little bit more than halfway the distance, so maybe right there is fine, and swing an arc like that. Do the same thing on the other side, spin the compass without changing the setting, and swing another arc. Now you'll notice those two arcs intersected. Those two intersection points, I would take my straight edge and I would line them up there and I would construct my diameter. So I'm going to do that a little bit different way using Polypad. I'm going to start by finding that segment, then select that segment, and over here the three buttons are your advanced tools. Choose line. That goes through my circle, and I'm going to find that point of intersection and find this point of intersection. Now that I have that, I now have my four vertices of my square. I can construct my square this way by just connecting the vertices. That's one way. I'm going to undo that and show you another way. Under polygons and shapes, clicking the custom tool, it comes to the workspace with 5 vertices. Tap on any one to make it go away. I now have 4 vertices, and I'm going to construct my square by stretching each of these 4 points where it belongs. That's my square. I know it's a square because I can use my compass to test the length of each side. I can also use the protractor tool, which is under utensils, and measure that each of these 4 angles is going to be 90 degrees.